Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin wa barik sallim wa salli alayhi. Dear colleagues, this is male 7-year-old patient complaining of pain in the lower abdomen on both sides, referred by the doctor for appendicitis. So how to locate the appendicitis? I have already sent the video clips. Now again I am going to show you how to locate. So here you can appreciate that this is the gallbladder. I am in the region of right hypochondrium. This is the gallbladder. From here we should come downward. Now this is a large bowel. This is the large bowel, and I am coming downward. Downward. This is the hastration, gas-filled large bowel. This is likely the ascending colon. And then further I am going to downward in the right iliac fossa region. This is the small bowel. Here you can appreciate that this is the wall of the small bowel. No hastration is there. This has the smooth wall. So then again we know this small bowel is coming in the right iliac fossa. This is basically the region where we can appreciate the appendix, whether it is normal or it is thick wall. This is the small bowel. Here we can see that these are the lymph nodes in the right iliac fossa region. This is the lymph node, this is the lymph node. So multiple lymph nodes are present along the mesenteric vessels, and this small bowel, which is likely the terminal ileum. And here we can see these are the lymph nodes, and further downward. Now I am in the right iliac fossa region, where we can see the small bowel, gas-filled small bowel. And this is the proper location for the appendix. The normal anatomical location is in this region. There are many variations. If we come across a variation, then we will have to locate. We will have to search, and we will have to work hard to locate the appendix. If we see, this is the cecum, This is the small bowel ileum, and here if you closely observe, this is the appendix. Now this is the appendix, however no inflammatory changes are seen around the appendix. Usually the omentum surrounds the inflamed appendix, and if the appendix is normal, omentum likes to remain away from the appendix. So here we can see this is the blind-ended roof, blind end, and this is the appendix behind the terminal ileum going into the posterior medial aspect of the cecum. So there are somewhat variations in the location of the appendix, but usually this is present at this level. And now if I measure it, this is 4.2 millimeter, so which is of normal size, and the cause of pain abdomen is likely the mesenteric lymph adenopathy, और कोई मुझे इन्फ्लेमेटरी चेंजेस नज़र नहीं आ रहे, मल्टीपल लिम्फ नोड्स आ रहे हैं. So this was the normal location. We start from the hypochondrium, come downward along the Sunding colon, then to the cecum, and where there is a turning point, joining of cecum with the terminal ileum. This is the best place where we can see the appendix. So this was the normal appendix, and the cause or the pathology was right mesenteric lymph adenopathy. So I am in the left side of abdomen. Here we can see the gas-filled bowel loop, and patient is complaining of pain on this side also. So no other pathology is found here. The history of patient is to have to eat many odd things like potash and other जो बाज़ार की चीज़ें होती हैं वो खाता है. Thank you very much.